In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export Asana tasks to Google Sheets with two-way sync. Many people use Asana for project management due to its intuitive interface and robust functionality. However, when it comes to data analysis and reporting, sometimes you need the more complex capabilities of Google Sheets. Fortunately, you can easily export your Asana tasks to Google Sheets and even establish a two-way sync to ensure your data is always up to date. Let's begin with the built-in integration. Asana offers a native integration that allows you to export your tasks effortlessly. To get started, open the project you wish to export. Then click on the Share button, navigate to Export Print, and select Export to Google Sheets. This will create a live Google Sheet with all your task data, providing a one-way sync. However, it's important to note that any changes made in Google Sheets won't reflect back to Asana. If you're looking for full two-way synchronization, then stick around for a better solution. For a seamless two-way sync, Unito is your best option in 2025. Begin by visiting unito.io and signing up for an account. Once you're set up, connect your Asana account along with your Google Sheets account. This link will enable Unito to communicate between the two platforms. Next, prepare your Google Sheet by setting up the headers. Make sure you include columns like task name, assignee, due date, status, and notes. These headers will directly correspond to the fields in your Asana tasks, allowing for smooth transfer of data between the two services. Now, let's delve into setting up a flow using Unito. Within Unito, start by selecting Create Flow. Choose Asana as your source and Google Sheets as your destination, ensuring you select the two-way sync option. You'll then want to select the specific Asana project and the corresponding Google Sheet you want to sync with. This establishes a connection ready for detailed mapping. The next step involves mapping fields from Asana to your Google Sheet. For example, ensure the Asana task name maps directly to the task name column in your sheet, and so on for each field like due dates and assignees. This mapping is crucial as it ensures all your data appears in the correct structure each time data is transferred between the platforms. Once the flow is set up and your fields mapped, it's time to launch and test. Run the flow to populate tasks into your Google Sheet initially. Afterwards, test the sync by editing a task in the sheet. For instance, change the due date and check Asana to ensure the update flows back perfectly. This two-way sync setup ensures that your Asana projects and Google Sheets are constantly aligned without needing manual updates, enhancing your productivity and keeping your data integrity intact. That's how you can effectively manage projects across these platforms. Happy syncing!